This is a PVC profile vacuum calibration tank, full set, and also with wide panels like a door panel and a window panel. Here is the hollow machines for plastic pipe like PVC pipe and PE pipe. This is the hollow frame for the pipe profile and door panels and window sills. Here is the cutter frame. Here is some ready pipe machines and semi-ready profile machines. Large diameter pipe stackers. Here is the chains for the hollow, the puller. This is the electric control panels for every machines, like a vacuum, hollow, cutter. This is extruder control panel. This is the HDPE pipeline we are going to shape.